welcome back to my channel. This is my first video in 2022. I wish you all a happy new year. I hope you all had a good one. Today, I'm going to review a famous allegorical novel which I read recently. So without any delay, let's get started. So, as I said earlier, today I'm going to review a famous novel written by George Orwell, and the book is Animal Farm. Talking about George Orwell, his real name is Eric Arthur Blair. He was born in Motihari, India. He was a man of strong opinion who addressed major political movements of his time. So when I heard the name of the book, I thought it was really a funny story with lots of cute animals in it. But when I started reading it, I realized this book was entirely different than all the other books I ever read. So before we go to the story, let's take a quick peek inside the book. Although the pictures are black and white, that doesn't really matter because it's the story that matters. It tells the story of a rebellion and how it goes all wrong. So the main characters are Major, a pig, Clover, Boxer, both horses, and Benjamin, a donkey, Napoleon, also a pig, and Snowball, again another pig, and Squealer, another pig. So many pigs now. So my parents told me that all the characters in this book are actually allegories of famous leaders in Russian Revolution. The author actually wants to tell the true story about Russian Revolution in a way that everyone can understand. I didn't know what allegory means before I read this book, but now I know what the meaning is. And likewise, I learned a lot of new words from this book. So it's about a farm called Manor Farm, and the farmer is a man called Mr. Jones. But the animals don't like the farmer because he hardly gives them enough food, and so many animals are dying, and he gives them so much work to do. So one day they start a rebellion and they kick the farmer out of the farm, and they start to do the farm work all by themselves. Well, it was going good at first, but then Napoleon started to behave like Mr. Jones to become the most powerful animal in the farm. And then the animals were all in trouble again. So friends, what do you think? Can we overcome these difficulties or not? Well, if you want to know, you must read this book. As a story, I like this book very much, and it's really interesting. So friends, you've got to try this book at least once. I hope you all liked today's video, and I'll come with another interesting book soon. Bye bye.